Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a review of a low budget camera. Can you guess what type of camera? I'm going to give you a clue. It's small, compact, and you can go diving under the water. Can you guess? Nope. It's a action camera from WOLFANG GA300. Now there is a GA100 and a 200. This one is a little better in terms of the video resolution. It runs in 4K at 60 frames per second, FPS. Now, guess how much I pay for this? Over 100? Nope. Well, the new one, if you buy a new one, it'll cost over 100, sometimes over 150. Guess how much I pay? Nope. I only pay $50. That's right, $50 plus shipping. Why? Because I'm on a budget. I just lost my job last month, and I can't afford to buy a new one. So, although I've seen a lot of people buying new products, doing reviews on YouTube, and then returning for refund, and that really hurts a lot of retail business. People returning. I'm not that type of guy. Buy and return it. I buy it and I keep it until it falls apart. You can call me cheap, and that's okay. I prefer you call me Mr. Budget Guy, because I'm on a budget and everything I buy is used. And then it's okay, except for food. Food, you have to spend money to be healthy. Now, let's unbox. Let's put this aside. Let's unbox. See? Now, before I bought this one, I did a lot of research, watching a lot of action cameras, a lot of different models, and this one caught my attention. People's choice. So let's open up. See? Oh, nice. It's got the manual, and there it is. It's a camera with the waterproof casing. You can go diving underwater up to 40 meters. That's 130 feet. I'm thinking, what happens if you go more than 40? Will the camera black out? What do you think? Yeah, let me know, comments below. It's got an extra battery. It's got all the stuff that you need. For your bike. It's got a USB. This is an external microphone. And all the mounting stuff for the bike and the helmet. It's got a remote control. How cool is that? More mounting stuff. More. That's it. Now, to take pictures, that goes up to 24 megapixel. Now the battery life, if you're using a 4K, it lasts on a full charge up to 80 minutes. On a 1080p resolution, it lasts about 2 hours. Here you see a micro USB port. Next to it is the mini HDMI port, so you can connect to your TV, and then your memory slot. And at the bottom is where you put the battery. The up button is for the Wi-Fi, and the down button is for the voice recording, if you want to turn on and off. And it says you need to put a card. Now for the memory card, it's highly recommended that you use what they call a U3. It means Ultra Speed 3 for better video quality. If you use a U1, the video may not look clear, as you can see from the left side compared to the right side. Now you could use any brand, doesn't matter what brand, as long as it's U3 on it. Now you put the card this way. So slowly, and push it all the way in until you hear the click. Okay. Now on the video resolution, 4K, you can use 1 hour and 22 minutes on a 4K. And if you want to do, let's see, 1080 on 60, you can use 2 hours and 33 minutes. Now to use the remote, you have to press these two buttons at the same time. Wait for the signal, and it will connect to the camera. To put the remote on your wrist, so I'm going to show you this, how to do it. First, you make sure this Velcro strap is at the bottom. Insert this. Goes the other way. This. Now turn this here and put your wrist first. Okay. Now you can turn, and it goes this way. And there you go. This is for the camera, this is for the video. So what do you think, guys? Which picture looks better? Well, it depends on your vision and your color of taste. So for the video clip, I'm using 4K at 60 frames per second. The one on the left is a Wolfgang, and the one on the right is LG V50. Alright, I'm testing the mic for the first time. I'm taking that big tree here. It's a big tree. I hope it doesn't fall in front of the house, you know. So nice day today. So what do you think, guys? Is it worth it to buy the WOLFANG GA300? For me, hell yeah, it's worth it. For a low budget action camera, for that price, I would, yep. So if you like it, give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.